Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to our online English class. Students, I hope you are all happy, healthy and ready to learn. Students, I am your English teacher, Ma'am Aksa. Today we are going to learn about syllables. Students, this video is specially for the students who could not attend our class during summer camps. Let's come to our topic. Students, unit number 3, My Colorful Word. स्टूडेंट्स, हमने इधर से इनके डिक्टेशन वर्ड्स लिए हैं और फिर उन डिक्टेशन वर्ड के हमने syllables बनाने हैं. This is very interesting and easy topic. Students, as you know, our topic is syllables. Do you know what syllables are? A syllabus is a part of a word. In Urdu we say that लफ्ज़ों को छोटे छोटे हिस्सों में बांटने को syllabus कहते हैं. जैसे उर्दू में हम अरकान साजी करते हैं ना, ऐसे ही इंग्लिश में syllabus की मदद से वर्ड बनाया जाता है. Students, I hope you are all understand the definition of syllables. We can find syllables by clapping the beats in a word. Let's clap and learn together. Are you ready? Let's begin. Look at the screen. The first word is room. Can you clap with me? Room. We clapped one time. That means the word room has one syllable. The next word is cupboard. Cupboard. Students, we clapped two times. That means the word cupboard has two syllables. The next word is neat. Neat. We clapped one time. That means the word neat has one syllable. The next word is shirt. Shirt. We clapped one time. That means the word shirt has one syllable. The next word is doll. Doll. We clap one time. That means the word doll has one syllable. The next word is clean. Clean. We clap one time. So the word clean has one syllable. The next word is twice. 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 We clap one time. That means the word twice has one syllable. The next word is pigeon. Pigeon. Students, we clap two times. How many times? Two times. That means the word pigeon has two syllables. The next word is flies. Flies. We clap one time. So the word flies has one syllable. The next word is chick. We clap one time. The word chick has one syllable. The next word is always. The next word is always. We clap always. We clap two times. That means the word always has two syllables. The next word is quacks. Quacks. We clap one time. That means quacks has one syllable. The next word is village. Village. We clap two times. The word village has two syllables. The next word is fellow. Fellow. We clap two times. That means the word fellow has two syllables. And the next word is yellow. Yellow. We clap two times. That means the word yellow has two syllables. The next word is happy. Happy. The word happy has two syllables. The next word is lovely. Lovely. We clap two times. That means the word lovely has two syllables. Students, today we learn what syllables are and how to count them by clapping. Keep practicing this clap activity and write these words in your 3-in-1 register. Thank you for watching today's lesson. Take care and Allah Hafiz.